In this video, we're going to be looking at our extra examples for section 9.1. So for this extra example, we're going to be given this. Like so. This will be A, B, C, E, G. And we'll have m plus 3, 11, m minus 4, 4, and we are told triangle ABC is similar to triangle EFG. So it's all our given information. So the first thing we want to do is set up our proportions using the similarity statement right here. We're not going to use the picture right now, we're just going to use the similarity statement to help set up our proportion. So I'm interested in M, and M's along AB, so I'm going to definitely use AB. So we'll say AB is to, AB matches up with EF. So I got AB, the top is a ratio with EF, the bottom. Now we're going to look like we're looking for GF. So we'll say BC is to, BC matches up with FG. Okay, perfect. Now we can plug everything in. So we'll say AB is M plus 3 is to EF, which is 4, as BC, 11, is to FG, M minus 4. So now we'll add in our parentheses, and we'll begin going through the cross-multiplying process. So we have M plus 3 times M minus 4, so we'll just write that out, equals. Now we're going to go 4 times 11 is 44. From here, we're ready to do our lots of rainbows, lots of distributing, and then get it equal to 0, factor, solve. So we'll go m times m is m squared. M times negative 4 is minus 4m. 3 times n is a positive 3m, and then 3 times minus 4 would be negative 12, equals 44. So it's just doing my distributing right there. Now we'll combine like terms. So I have m squared minus negative 4 plus 3 would be 1, so minus m minus 12 equals 44. We'll subtract 44 from both sides, and we get m squared minus m minus 56 equals 0. Just solving a quadratic, I have to get it to equal 0, and then we'll do our side work. So now when we're asking what multiplies to negative 56 and adds to negative 1. We got 7 and 8. So negative 8 times 7. Okay, let's check our work. Negative 8 times 7 is negative 56. That works. Negative 8 plus 7 is negative 1. So that works. So now we're able to jump to our factors. M minus 8. M plus 7 equals 0. Split up and solve. M minus 8 equals 0. M plus 7 equals 0. So we get m equals 8. And we get m equals -7. Only one of these is truly correct because we're dealing with measurements. So if we look and we think about both answers, we found, I'm just going to write it down so it's easy for us to think, m equals 8, m equals -7. Which one makes more sense? Well, I can't use -7 because if I plug in -7, I would get a negative measurement. -7 plus 3 would be -4, so that's not good, and -7 minus 4 would be -11, and that's not good either. But if we plug in 8, we get a positive measurement for both. 8 plus 3 is 11, and 8 minus 4 is 4. So those are both positive, so we would keep this one. So just something to keep in mind, we want to make sure that we get the positive measurements, like so. So thank you very much for watching this extra example video. Hopefully it was helpful, and hope you have a great rest of your day.